In today's video, I will teach you how to do a letter portrait design in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea and open the portrait image that you want to use by going to File, then Open. From the toolbar, select the Quick Selection tool, then click Select Subject in the top menu. Alternatively, you can use the lasso tool or pen tool for a more precise selection. Once the subject is selected, click the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel to isolate the subject. Then select the text tool from the toolbar and type the letter where you want the portrait to appear. Then customize the font, size, and color using the options in the top menu bar. Then adjust the placement and scale of the letter using the Move tool or the Free Transform tool by pressing Ctrl-T. Now drag the text layer beneath the image layer in the Layers panel. Then select the image layer and use the Free Transform tool or simply press Ctrl-T to resize and reposition the subject so it fits well within the letter shape. Now hold Ctrl and click the letter's layer thumbnail to create a selection of the letter. Then invert the selection by pressing Ctrl-Shift-I. Now ensure the subject's layer is selected. Then select the Eraser tool from the toolbar. And carefully erase parts of the subject that fall outside the letter selection. Now press Ctrl-D to deselect. An optional step is adding effects to the text. To do this, select the text layer. Then click the Layer Style icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. In the Layer Style dialog, enable Stroke and Drop Shadow to make the letters stand out. Then adjust the settings for each effect until you achieve the desired look. Then select both image and text layers by holding down the Shift key and clicking each layer. Then click the Link Layers icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. This will allow you to move and resize the entire design without having to readjust each layer individually. And once you're happy with your design, go to File, then Export As, and choose your desired file format. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.